Good afternoon, all of you. Welcome back to my channel. Today's date is 28th June. So today's topic is algebraic expression. So what do you mean by algebraic expression? So let us first understand. A combination of constants and variables connected by fundamental operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, is called an algebraic expression. So students, here we will first understand the types of algebraic expression. So the first one, number one, is called as monomial. What do you mean by monomial expression? An algebraic expression having only one term is called a monomial. So let us take certain example of monomial. 3x minus 5a 4pq and 8m square. So these are called monomial. Number 2 is called binomial. What do you mean by binomial expression? An algebraic expression having two terms is called a binomial. So let us take some example of binomial. X plus 5 minus 8a minus 6 4pq minus 8q. Number 3, trinomial. What do you mean by trinomial? An algebraic expression having three terms is called a trinomial. So let us take certain example. 3xy plus 7x plus 8 x plus y plus z p square plus pq plus q square. So this is the third one. So the first one is monomial, followed by binomial, and the third one is trinomial. The fourth one is called as polynomial. So let us check what do you mean by polynomial. Let us check. Number 4 is called polynomial. An algebraic expression having several terms is called a polynomial. So there is no limit to the number of terms in a polynomial. And number 5 is called quadrinomial. Quadrinomial. So here we can see quadrinomial means an algebraic expression having 4 terms. So let us take one example. So we can see over here there are 4 terms: 2x cube minus 5x square plus 6x minus 8. Let us take one more example of quadrinomial terms, that is x square plus 3y square plus z square minus 4xyz. So these are the different types of algebraic expression. So let us go through once again what are the different types of algebraic expression. Number one is called monomial with one term. Number two, binomial with two terms. Number three, trinomial with three terms. Number four, quadrinomial with four terms. And number five, polynomial with several terms. So this is what is very important. We should be knowing this before we do any sum. Now today I am going to teach you all multiplication of binomial. So binomials are algebraic expression having two terms. So in this multiplication we have to be very careful. So multiplication of binomials is performed using distributive property of multiplication over addition. So let us take how this is happening. Let us check with the help of distributive property over addition. So a plus b in bracket multiply by c plus d. So students, over here let us focus the first monomial, which we will going to multiply by a into c plus d plus b into c plus d. So what we have used over here, we have used the property of distributive property of multiplication over addition. So what will be the answer over here? A into c will be AC plus a into d will be AD plus b into c will be BC plus b into d will be BD. Now with the help of one example sum we will understand how multiplication of binomial is applicable. So let us take one example. Find the product. We all know that product means multiplication of 3x plus 2y in bracket 2x plus 3y in another bracket. So here there is no sign, means we need to multiply. So there are two methods by which you can do this multiplication of binomial. So let us check method 1, that is called horizontal method. So let us check how we can solve this sum with the help of horizontal method. So 3x into 2x plus y plus 2y into 2x plus y. So what we can see, students, here we are applying distributive property of multiplication over addition. So if we multiply now, we are going to get 3x into 2y plus 3x into 3y plus 2y into 2x plus 2y into 3y. So let us find out After multiplication, we are getting 3 into 2, 6 x square plus 3 into 3, 9 xy plus 4 into xy plus 6y square. So what we can see, 6 square. Now these two terms we can add because they are like terms. So 9xy plus 4xy will give me 13xy plus 6y square. So this is the answer. So which method I have used? I have used horizontal method to find out the multiplication of binomial. So how to find out the product of 3x plus 2y multiply by 2x plus 3y with the help of multiplication of binomial by using horizontal method. Now the same sum we will use the next method, that is column method. So previously I have already told you all method can be different but the answer remains same. So let us check same sum, how we can solve this sum using column method. So 3x plus 2y multiply by 2x plus 3y. So here we have arranged the binomials in column method. Now let us follow the steps. These two monomial we will multiply. So what will be the answer? 2 into 3, 6y square. Student, we need to know that y into y, since the power of 1, when the base is same, the power will be added. So y to the power 2 or y square. Here 3 into 3 will give me 9 x y. You have to put the plus sign. Now we will multiply with the next monomial, that is 2x into 2y. 2x into 2y will give me 4xy. So I am going to write below this 9xy, we have to write 4xy, and 3 into 2 x square, this is a separate term, so we have to write here. Now if you add this, we will get the same answer, 6x square plus 13xy plus 6y square. So what we have learned today, different types of algebraic expression and how to multiply the two binomials by following two different methods. Method 1, horizontal method. Method 2, column method. So with the help of these two methods, we can find out the product of two binomials. I hope you have understood these two very important method to find out the multiplication of binomials. Hope I am going to come up with more interesting video. Give likes and subscribe my channel. Thank you.